Hey, are you searching for good quality portable propane fire pits? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these portable propane fire pits. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion about which portable propane fire pit is the best and much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Outland Firebowl 893 Deluxe Fire Pit. If you want a quality, inexpensive, and reliable fire pit, get the Outland Firebowl 293. Also called the Outland Deluxe Fire Pit. This fire pit is basic. The 23.3-pound fire pit is ideal for car or RV camping. That weight is astounding for a 19-bowl. There's plenty of seating for many. The Outland 893 Firebowl is fully built, so no hose or parts need to be attached. For convenience, it has a fitted lid and carry kit. The lid protects the rocks and burner from the outdoors and keeps everything inside the bowl. The straps make transporting the fire bowl easy. Only a weatherproof cover is missing. The cover is optional. Users claim the Outland 893 Firebowl will replace their traditional campfire because it's so user-friendly, quiet, and reliable. Number 2. Bond Manufacturing Aurora Firebowl. This 18 Firebowl is beautiful and practical, weighing 18 pounds. Unpacking the car is my least favorite aspect of camping. Because the Aurora Firebowl is so light, it's easy to transport. The bowl emits 54,000 BTUs and features glowing pumice stones for warmth. Locking lid adds to its convenience. Most fire pits require a lighter or match to start the flames. The Aurora bowl is self-igniting. At the push of a button, the fire will ignite by itself. The fire bowl starter is difficult and doesn't always work, say users. You can add a hideaway table or tote to this fire bowl's design. The Aurora Firebowl's legs don't become hot, so it can go anywhere. It's packed with stones and produces lots of heat. It replaces a natural fire at camping or home deck. Number 3. Flame King Outdoor Portable Propane Gas 19. The Flame King is a fantastic low-cost choice that doesn't compromise on quality. This 19 dish is easy to move about and transport. Despite being portable, it heats up rather well, producing 58,000 BTU. The Flame King will generate a decent quantity of heat and keep you toasty even on its lowest setting. Because it uses self-ignition as opposed to manual ignition, the Flame King is especially lovely. So, this one starts with the push of a button, not by burning off your hand hairs and starting another fire bowl. For added mobility, this fire bowl also includes a lid and a carry strap. Your fire pit will remain UV and weather resistant with the cover. The Flame King's users frequently lament the need to buy additional lava rocks to completely cover the burner. A fire bowl will get hotter if more rocks are added to it. Number 4. Outland Living 870 Portable Propane Fire Pit. The 893 is the model that comes after the 823 in the product line. However, being as how that topic has previously been discussed, let's move on to the Outland 870. Also known as the Premium Fire Pit. This fire pit is 19 inches and includes a cover and carrying kit, lava rock set, regulator, 10 feet hose, and propane tank stabilizer ring in the package. The premium edition of the Fire Bowl is extremely comparable to the standard edition in many respects. The premium model differs from the standard model in that it is equipped with an automatic ignition rather than a manual one and is bundled with a carry case and a cover. Users are quite satisfied with this improved functionality. Number 5. FireSense Portable Gas Fire Pit. The FireSense Portable is a portable fire pit that provides a small-sized fire pit that emits a great deal of heat and is quite comfortable to sit around. This small fire pit has a diameter of 15 inches, making it an ideal choice for 2 or 3 people to sit around and enjoy. Because it emits 60,000 BTU, it is a fantastic method for warming up on a chilly evening. Users report that the igniter can be difficult to deal with. Either it is difficult to get it started, and once it is ignited, it results in a fireball, or it has a difficult time lighting in cold weather. When the burner is ignited, however, the pit creates a fair quantity of heat and has a sensation that is extremely similar to that of a genuine fire. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.